I'd better do this car here too. 1964 Chevrolet Impala. The guy wants $9,000 for it. The car is a roller. It's got no motor, no transmission. He's got it down as a solid southern rolling shell for $9,000. Wrap your head around that price for a second. So, I mean, it's got great looking patina on it, I'll say that much. I mean, the body looks, it looks solid from what I can tell, at least. The inside, different kind of story. I mean, I don't know. Looks like a patch panel over there. Could be wrong, but that's what it looks like. It's got a lot of just surface rust, it looks like. Needs a, yeah, it's all he's got for the description of the 64 Chev Bel Air 2-door, no motor, and solid rolling shell. So he probably doesn't have an interior for this car. Well, he's got some trim pieces here, I guess. It's got a new trunk pan in it, looks like. Another new pan in the back seat there, probably where they typically go right there. It looks like these rear floor pans got a few holes in them. I don't know what's up with that. They look like bullet holes almost. What the heck? That looks like a bullet shell hole. Holy frick. What's up with that? Some kick panels there. It looks like the inside of the trunk there. It got some surface rust. Again, looks like all surface. You'd have to really have a look at this car for sure. Probably wire wheel, all that, I would assume, maybe, depending on what it looks like. Oops. There's the front nose of the car. Everything's complete on the outside, it looks like. Everything looks good up here. Backside there, tail lights, everything's intact on the outer body of it. Yeah, I mean, bit of work here to do. Got no back seat in it. You have to think of something to do with the interior. I just don't think this car is worth $9,000. I don't know. I'm thinking like as a roller, more like the $6,000 mark. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm always interested in hearing everybody's opinions on this type of stuff. What would you pay for something like this? I wouldn't pay $9,000. This car is 3 hours away from me. It's in a town called Pembroke, Ontario, which I've been to quite a few times. Well, there's the top of the inside of the trunk there. So you got some rust going along there too. I don't know. I see some rust up there too. I don't know, it's probably just surface, but who knows? It looks like you might have to do something about that. Probably sandblast it all, maybe. Hopefully you don't blow through it. Yeah, so I mean, it's kind of a mediocre car. Like it looked like it still needs some work, obviously, but the bones could be pretty decent on this, but still needs some rust cleanup for sure. I don't know what I would do in here. Maybe get some new, try to clean all the rust out and see what you got left, and respray it all in here with some spatter paint. Or something at least, anyway, just to clean that up. So, I mean, yeah, you'd have to get like a back seat or something. I don't know what you could do there. Might be tough to find a seat. If it was me, I'd see if I could get a back seat for it and maybe put some Recaro seats or something in. Maybe like some kind of a small block or something like that, or maybe an LS motor. That'd be the ticket for this car right here. Nice sounding exhaust or something like that. Just the normal stuff. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching, and again, just let me know what you think of this one. Cheers.